welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching any of my video, I will say remember to like, subscribe, make your comments, and also share. And if you're returning back to my channel, I will say welcome back. My name is Dr. Nikki, and I'll be talking about the easy steps in applying for a student visa to the UK. In my previous video, I've talked about finding the right university to study in the United Kingdom. And it's the first step you need to do before even thinking about how to apply for your visa. The simple step of applying for UK visa, the first thing is getting your unconditional offer in any of the UK university. And after getting your conditional offer, which will state the amount of money you need to pay for your tuition fee, and also it will say whether you require some additional certificate to be provided before you are granted the unconditional offer. When we talk about this certificate, it could be involved the ATAS certificate, which is what might be required for some people doing some master or research program in sciences and engineering, while those doing their program in business school or education might not require this. After getting the ATAS certificate and paying your tuition fee, depending on the percentage that is required for you to pay, or if you pay the total, then you'll be offered your unconditional offer, which will have the reference number in form of the cards that you're going to present to the home office of your country where you're applying for. After getting your CAS number from your university of choice, then you have to think about the amount of money you need to put in your account for 28 days. And this depends on the area where your university is going to be in the UK. Because if you are going to study in university in London and in London Borough, it will be slightly higher than those that are studying outside of London. And this money has to be in your account for 28 consecutive days. And don't just think it's just about 28 consecutive days. It will be 28 consecutive days plus the number of days till when your visa is out. But you could print out your statement account after the 28 consecutive days, which is what the home office actually requires. And the money has to remain in your account until your visa is out. Some people do mistake of touching the money when they've submitted their visa application. This is actually wrong, as you don't know when the home office is actually going to contact your bank to make sure the money is still in your bank. And if it is not there, this might result in your visa being declined. And I'm sure you don't want your visa to be declined. If you've gotten your money in your account, you need to think about the S surcharge. As the S surcharge keeps changing at different year, you need to know the update amount of S surcharge that you need to pay, and also the visa fee as well. And if you're thinking of bringing your spouse and dependents to the UK, the amount of money that needs to be in the account for 28 days for dependents is slightly lower than that of the main applicant. But the visa application fee and the head surcharge is actually the same for dependents and also the main applicant as well. And if you are in a country that require you to do tuberculosis x-ray, you need to get this done as well as part of the document that you'll be taking along with all other document that is required by the home office. This is just the simple steps that you need to know when you're applying for your student visa, which is the one that has replaced the general tier 4 visa in the UK. Just for recap, you just have to have your number one is your CAS letter from your university. 2, having your tuberculosis certificate if your country is required to have one. 3 is getting your S surcharge money being paid. 4 is having the right amount of money in your bank account at the right equivalent. If you are converting, if your money is in your country money, it needs to be at the right amount to the equivalent in pounds that is required to be in your account for 28 consecutive days. And then the last one is the S surcharge money that you'll be paying, which is actually the S surcharge money and the visa money is totally different from the amount of money that is going to be in your bank account. So don't use the money that is meant to be in your account to pay your S surcharge and your visa fee after the 28 days. This is wrong. This might lead to your visa being declined. And I believe you following this simple step in applying for your student visa, you actually get your visa approved. And I wish you all best of luck in your studies when you come over to the UK. To my next video on my channel, I will say bye for now and thank you. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.